folks, welcome to this new video. So today we'll explain how we have executed this trade on gold. We go on a long position from the level 2672 and we have secured more than 350 pips on this one. So if we go to the gold chart, we have already talked about this fractal right here on the last video, on the last YouTube video. So this fractal right here represents or can cover all this movement right here on the chart. So we can see with all the details at the end right here on the fractal and on the chart. So from here we can have an idea that this lower low right here is the same lower low right here as a geometric shape. And also if we focus on the geometric angle right here, we will see that this angle on the small shape right here was almost 30 degrees. So 12 degrees, 30 degrees. So the same thing right here on the big picture. It was 12 degrees. So from here we know that the price will goes on this small uptrend right here. That is self-similar to this small uptrend right here. So this was the first confirmation that the price is going on a strong uptrend. The second confirmation was on the 15-minute chart. It was a rescaled fractal. So this fractal or this movement right here was rescaled in the same way right here. So this is called the child wave and this is called the mother wave. So since the price goes back to these highs right here, so we know that the price will go back to these highs right here using the rescaled fractal. So this was the second confirmation for our direction. The third confirmation was also using this fractal right here. So this fractal right here was the same one right here. This is the fractal and this is the chart and this is the self-similarities. So we know that the price will go on a strong uptrend, the price will go on a strong uptrend the same way. And why we see all this self-similarity movements on the chart, self-similar movements on the chart, this is because of the psychology of the trend. And for anyone interested about fractal geometry, you should grasp the trend psychology so you can understand in a clear way how fractal geometry works. The last confirmation was this fractal right here. One of our students has located this fractal. This is an L in one direction model. This is a perfect one. So if we scale this one in this way, we'll have also an opportunity to take a long position after we see this shape right here and we go long on gold. So this was the chart of gold this week, how it goes using fractal geometry, and this is very, very amazing that all the movements are very clear, are very meaningful. And if we go to the silver chart, we have also another trade on silver. Okay, so this trade was using fractal geometry and exactly the rescaled fractals. So if we come right here, we'll see that this movement in this way was rescaled in the same way right here. So another time the child wave, the mother wave, the price goes back to the highs right here of the child wave. So on the big picture, the price will go back to the highs of the mother wave. And that's why we have executed this position right here on silver. We take a long position from here and we have targeted this highs right here. So this is how to do it using rescaled range analysis exactly. So if you are interested with learning fractal geometry, I would recommend to grasp rescaled range analysis or ERAS analysis. It's very, very interesting and accurate on the charts. So right now we have an offer. If you are interested to learn fractal geometry, we have the Black Friday offer, 20% off on the mentorships program, and also you can visit our website simplesfractal.com and you can get from there the fractal level indicator, $150 for 1 month, and you can get also the ERAS analysis indicator, $500 for 3 months. That's it all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.